Welcome to my channel, Nika Loves Toy Review. Like my video, subscribe, I love you. Mwah.
Hey, Nika.
Where am I supposed to sit?
Sit right in front. All right, well, today is it is December 6, 2020. We're going to put the tree up today. It's not like before we've had really nice tree trimming parties, so it's just going to be us, but my favorite guys are here, so I love you guys. All right, so we're going to set this tree up time-lapse too, right?
Okay.
All right, let's go. Yeah, there we are. Oh my gosh, I turned around and you guys are already finished. You guys got all the rest of the trees done. You see that? You see that medium tree? You know why that medium tree is most important? Because that's Mommy and Daddy's first tree when we first were together, right? And of course the big tree is from the catering hall. The big giant tree is from when we used to have a giant restaurant and catering hall, right? So that's cool. And then of course that little green tree right over there, right? That's your tree, right? That's why it's important, because it's your favorite tree, right? And then you know why the white tree is important? No reason at all, right? All right, what do you guys say?
Hi. Like my video, subscribe, I love you, and comment on video and ring the bell. Mwah. Merry Christmas. Share, comment